Tofu is a Chinese soy cheese. It is widely used in many Asian recipes. To make certain dishes, you need soft tofu, such as in soups. Firm tofu is best suited for salads, stir fries, and simmering dishes. I'm going to show you how to make your own tofu and what are the techniques to make it softer or firmer. Soak 300 grams of soybeans overnight. The next day, they are well rehydrated. Drain them. We need a piece of cloth to filter the soy milk. For that, I use a cotton scarf folded in half. In advance, wet and wring it out to prevent it from absorbing part of soy milk. Put it on a container. Blend 1/3 of soybeans with 50 centiliters of water for 3 minutes. Filter and press to collect all the milk. You have to press hard and insist. Flow out the residue. Pour milk into a pan. Continue the same operation with the rest of the soybeans. Blend them in thirds each time with 50 centiliters of water. Heat the milk over medium heat. A cooking time of 20 minutes is necessary to obtain a good taste of tofu. Be careful, you have to stir continuously. When it starts to boil and the milk rises, to prevent it from boiling over, remove the pan from the heat. Once back down, put it back on the fire. After 20 minutes, turn off the heat and let it cool. Monitor the temperature of the soy milk until it drops to 75 degrees. Use nigari to coagulate the milk. It is natural magnesium chloride. Dilute 8 grams in 15 centiliters of water. Lemon juice or white vinegar can also be used as coagulant, but they will make the tofu taste sour. We will not get the real traditional tofu. To squeeze the tofu, prepare a thin cloth on a container with holes. Different containers are also suitable as long as they have holes. The temperature of the soy milk has dropped. It is now of 75 degrees. At this temperature, a skin forms on the surface. Remove it and the foam as well. Gently pour the diluted nigari and gently mix. Let rest for 5 to 6 minutes. You can quickly see the tofu thickens and clear water separates from it. Pour roll into the box with holes. Even out the surface. Cover it with a cloth. Put on the cover and an object to press. The heavier the object and the longer it is placed, the firmer the tofu will be. If you want tender tofu, use a weight of about 1 kilo and a pressing time of 5 minutes. If you want tofu in between, use a weight of 2 kilos and a pressing time of 10 minutes. For firm tofu, use a weight of 2 kilos and a pressing time of 20 minutes. I'll show you my preparation of tender tofu. After 5 minutes of pressing, gently take it out of the box and immerse it in cold water. Carefully remove the cloth. Leave it in this water for at least 30 minutes. It eliminates the bitterness of the nigari. At this stage, you can keep your tofu for up to 4 or 5 days in water in the fridge. We can fry the tofu before using it into some recipes. Cut it into cubes. Fry them for 5 minutes over medium-high heat. Flip them halfway through cooking. The tofu cubes turn golden. Otherwise, you can also eat it fresh with a little soy sauce. I strongly encourage you to discover the homemade tofu. It has an incomparable smell and taste. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.